Irresponsible scum. The increasing tragedy of society. These scum don't take responsibility for society, others, and least of all, themselves. What's most tragic is that in the real world, these kinds of scum are increasing. Society is gradually becoming a sacrificial ground for these dregs, as they parasitically consume the resources and health of the community. Their actions of irresponsibility spread like a plague, affecting interpersonal relationships and the overall development of civilization. This is not the fate of society, but a choice of degradation made by these scum. In this realm of irresponsibility, we witness the erosion of societal values and the growing distance between individuals. These scum are the main culprits behind the decline of society, and their increasing numbers make our community more perilous. We are not powerless to change, rather, our compromise with this irresponsible dregs is poisoning the entire societal system. Awakening to the understanding of responsibility is the only way to change this tragic trend. We need to refuse to be accomplices to this irresponsible scum, and make a conscious choice of responsibility through education and guidance. Only then can we rebuild a truly healthy and robust society, moving away from the tide of tragedy sparked by these irresponsible scum.